Hello, my name is Debosmita Karmakar. I have done my graduation from Scottish Church College of University of Kolkata. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Recently, I am doing an internship at Sikharthy Infotech Pvt as a management intern. Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited is the best web development company based in Kolkata. They provide web development, web designing, content development and digital marketing services in Kolkata. Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited has dedicated and high-skilled team of resources for all kinds of assistance. They also have a skill development wing for students and freshers to be skilled to get into IT sectors. They also provide internship programs which will help to become the professionals. I would like to invite all the interns from Pan India to join Sikharthy Infotech for learning and working new technology.